In the next few minutes, you will learn 50 daily English sentences that you actually use in real life. No boring grammar. Just listen, repeat once, and speak. Repeat each sentence out loud after me. Only one time. Ready? Let's start. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. Let me make breakfast. Do you want coffee or tea? I need to take a shower. Where are my keys? I'm going to work now. How was your meeting? Let's have lunch together. What do you want to eat? I'm really tired today. Can you help me with this? How much does this cost? Where is the nearest station? I need to buy groceries. What time does the store close? I'll call you later. Sorry, I'm late. No problem at all. What did you say? Can you speak slower, please? I don't understand. Please write it down. What does this word mean? I'm learning English. You speak very well. Let's practice together. See you tomorrow. Have a good night. I love this weather. What's your plan for today? I have to go now. Take care of yourself. That sounds great. I totally agree with you. I don't think so. Let me think about it. That's a good idea. I'm just kidding. Are you serious? Congratulations on your success. I'm so proud of you. Don't worry about it. Everything will be fine. Just try your best. You can do it. Believe in yourself. Never give up. Today is a new day. Let's start again. You just finished 50 daily English sentences. That's a huge step. One repeat is enough if you stay consistent. Listen to this video again tomorrow. Your English will grow fast. Now go speak one sentence today. Just one. You got this. See you in the next lesson. Comment the word done if you repeated every sentence. Save this video and practice again tomorrow. Thanks for learning. Speak soon.